Hey guys, sanibona. Buka sengathi uLwandle yena uzoceba lapho uphume noSenzo. She had something to do with Noxolo's death because behavior yakhe le insuku is so questionable. You know, if uSenzo noPhume could gather u1 no 1 together, I think bangaphuma no11 because why is uLwandle acting so weird? I'm thinking ukuthi one day uyosleepwalker athi sleepwalker njalo azothuke sethi ngiyaxolisa noXolo or imina okuphusha whatever case, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi something like that might happen, and I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now uLwandle coming up with the third incident ever since aqala ukuhlala lapha. Firstly, she tried to kill herself efuna ukujumpa ebhilidini. Secondly, uNoxolo wafika ebusuku amkinye egqoma amapijama wakhe and she had ukuthi awukhumule lawo mapijama lawo. Now recently ubhizi uyasleepwalk. Sleepwalk waze wahamba endlini ngaphume noSenzo recently. Now my fear is that what if kuyenzeka laphayana athi sa sleepwalk avela afika akhulume mhlambe laphayana afika athi ngiyaxolisa noXolo whatever, something of that sort, and then immediately should that happen uSenzo noPhume realize ukuthi hey, something is off with this one. Now ukuthi I really don't understand ukuthi ngempela ke uLwandle yena anazo nezinye izihlobo other than going ukuthi awuhlala laphayana akanabo nabanye abantu mhlawumbe uauntie omalume noma abantu because ngale regular hamba ngayo something bad is going to happen, and I'm telling you, as much as we know ukuthi mancane ama chances ukuthi bangathola this early ukuthi ngempela noXolo was pushed to uzangena emanzini and stuff, but this thing enza manje ukuthi sibe na that excitement on watching the show. Nanokuthi what happened to noXolo's board, I thought about botholile lapha, why ngekho umuntu ucabanga ukuthi hey, this is noXolo's board, and then I found out ukuthi noXolo abangcwaba noXolo wrong and stuff. Angazi what is happening, why is this dragging so much? I thought mhlambe mina it was about fast, but then we don't know. So guys, comment there in the comment section isho ngicabangani about le behavior kaLwandle recently, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.